Hello, welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. We are doing addition and subtraction for beginner level, and in today's lesson we are going to do addition and subtraction under 99 without any techniques. If you want to do addition and subtraction with techniques, you have to watch my other episodes. Please check my description box, and hope you know a little bit about abacus. This type of abacus I'm using 4 bits down, 1 bit up, and down bits 1 value, all together 4 value, and up bit is 5 value, only 1 bit. And to move down bit up, use your thumb, and to move down bit down, use your pointer finger. And for up bits, both time you have to use your pointer finger. Mark to your abacus somewhere, left some rods in your right side, and start from this, and this will going to be your ones place, tens place, hundreds, and thousand, and 10,000 in a long abacus. You can find lots of places. So we are going to use 99 number, means how to count 1 to 99. Let's first count that number on the abacus. Marked around this one 1, 2, 3, 4, and for 5 you have to do like this. This one is 5, and for 6 you have to add 5 plus 1, and this one is 6, 7, 8, 9. And for 10, let's go to 10's position. This is 1 and 0, 10. And for 1, 1, 11, you have to do 1 and 1, 11. Oh, this is 11, and this is 16, and this is 19. And for 20, you have to do 2, 0, 20, 30, 40, and this one is 50. 5 value, 5, 0, 50. If you do like this, is 55, and this is 59. And if you add this one, 99, and we are going to use under this. So let's start. I'm going to use this big abacus first, and for this hand abacus you have to watch this video till the end. So let's start. Be careful about your hand process, finger process on the abacus. First place 50, 5, 0. This is marked around, this 10th position. This is the 1st position, 50. And next is 5 at 33, reduce 55, add 1 on 11, add 55, reduce 22. And your answer is 77, right down here. Next. 99. You have to do it like this. Reduce 44, add 33, reduce 55, add 1 on 11, reduce 44, add 55. And your answer is 55, right down here. Number 3, 45, 54, reduce 35, add 1, 5, 15, reduce 51, add 21, reduce 33. And your answer is 1, 6, 16. Number 4, 51, 32, 5, reduce 1, 5, 15, reduce 52, add 2, 5, 25, reduce 31. And your answer is 1, 5, 15. 35, 54, reduce 24, reduce 50, add 2, add 32, and add 50, and your answer is 99. 6 number. 2, add 30, add 51, reduce 10, add 5, add 1, reduce 25, and your answer is 5, 4, 54. Number last. 8, 0, 80, add 1, 5, 15, reduce 17, reduce 1, 5, 15, add 3, add 51, and reduce 4. And your answer is 6, 0, 60. So let's do same exercises with this hand abacus. I'm right-handed and I'm doing like this, okay? So this is only for right-handed. And put your abacus on the question, hold your abacus like this, and you have to move your abacus like this. And if you have pencil, you have to hold your pencil like this, okay? And write down the answer and move your finger, write down the answer, move your finger like this. So let's do 55, 33, reduce 55, add 11, add 55, reduce 22, and your answer is 77. 99, reduce 44, add 33, reduce 55, add 11, reduce 44, add 55, and answer is 55. 45, 54, reduce 35, add 15, reduce 51, add 21, and reduce 33. Answer is 16. 51, 32, 5, reduce 15, reduce 5 to 52, add 25, reduce 31, and your answer is 15. 35, 54, reduce 24, reduce 50, add 2, add 32, add 50, sorry, and your answer is 99. Number 6. 2, 30, 51, reduce 10, add 5, add 1, reduce 25, and your answer is 54. Last number. 80, add 15, reduce 70. Have to reduce 20 and 50. Reduce 15, add 3, add 5, 151, and reduce 4. Your answer is 60. Hope you like this video, and for the notification you have to subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please one like, and watch my multiplication episodes also, and addition and subtraction with techniques also. I finished all the techniques for addition and subtraction. Please check my description box, and see you in next episode. Till then, ta-da!